In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your CPU temperature on Windows 11. This is a simple process that helps you monitor your system's health and prevent overheating issues. Now, Windows 11 doesn't have a built-in feature to check CPU temperature directly, but you can easily do it using a free and trusted third-party tool called HWMonitor. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type HWMonitor download and press enter. From the results, click on the official website cpuid.com. This is the official site for HWMonitor, so make sure you're downloading from here to avoid unsafe files. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the Setup Download button. Click it, close any pop-up ads that might appear, and then press Download Now to start the download. After the installer finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the HWMonitor setup file to start the installation process. Go through the on-screen steps to install it. Just keep clicking Next and then install until it's finished. Once installed, you'll see the HWMonitor icon on your desktop. Double-click to open it. HWMonitor stands for Hardware Monitor, and it does exactly that. It scans and monitors your computer's hardware components in real time, including CPU, GPU, motherboard, and more. When the program opens, you'll see a list of your system's hardware details. Look for the section with your CPU name. If you're not sure what your CPU is, you can find out easily. Just go to your taskbar search box, type System Information, and open it. In the window that appears, find the line labeled Processor. That's your CPU model. For example, you might see something like Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 5. Now, go back to HWMonitor and find that same processor name in the list. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the details. Here, you'll see the temperature readings for your CPU. There are 3 columns: current, minimum, and maximum. Current shows your real-time CPU temperature. Minimum displays the lowest temperature recorded since you opened the program. Maximum shows the highest temperature reached so far. Typical idle CPU temperatures range from 30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, while gaming or heavy workloads can push it to 70 to 85 degrees Celsius depending on your cooling system. If you see temperatures regularly above 90 degrees Celsius, you might want to clean your fans, reapply thermal paste, or check for airflow issues. HWMonitor updates these readings in real time, so you can leave it open while running games or demanding applications to see how they affect your CPU temperature. It's a great way to make sure your computer isn't overheating. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your CPU temperature on Windows 11 using HWMonitor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.